Hello my dear friend, welcome back to my channel one more time. This video I am going to show you how to allow photo access on WhatsApp in your Android phone. You can follow this guide, easily fix it. Let's get started. First take your phone, open WhatsApp. Then open any chat conversation. Here you can try to send any photo your device. But this time you can see the pop-up message. Don't worry, you can easily fix it. To do that, go back to your home screen, open app door, find the WhatsApp app icon, tap on hold it. After the pop-up menu, tap on the iInfo icon to open the app info page. After that, find the permission option, click on it. Here you can see various options. Scroll through the page, locate at the photos and videos option, tap on it. Then you can see three different options. By my phone, I am select always allow all. You can select this or select allow limited access, but I recommend you can select always allow all. After it's selected, simply close the app, then reopen the WhatsApp. After that, open any chat conversation. This time you can try send any photo your phone, and this time it worked. That's it, how you can easily done. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Take care.